chicken, Graham.
We're not superstitious. We're Mexican.
I don't want a bird, a hamster, a rat, a gerbil, a mouse, a guinea pig, a turtle, a
Happy
lizard, or a
birthday.
frog. What's really in here, Dad? Bodie, come open this box.
What?
Is it a joke? Is there a real something alive in here?
Well, what is
You're
it?
freaking me out.
What is
I
it?
don't know. What is it? There's a bird in there. I'm assuming it's not a live bird. Stop filming me. Bodie, stick your finger in there and see if it's alive.
No.
Oh, you're trying to mess with me. It is not a live chicken. I don't want a live chicken. No. You cannot compare killing a lobster to killing a
I
chicken.
don't
It's
want
not
to.
the
I don't
same.
want to put my finger in there.
You don't want to put your finger in there?
No.
Your grandpa's lost his mind.
It's gonna bite me.
That's a real bird in there. I swear to God, you guys are gonna die. Is it real, buddy?
Don't get away!
Oh, it is a real bird. I don't want a live chicken.
Run, 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 run away. Oh, I don't know just what to do.
Take it back. It's gonna get out. Take it to your daughter. She'll love it. Oh,
Wife, welcome again.
be careful.
Okay, don't fly, Missy.